It's recycle day in the neighborhood again, and we've got another aluminum can project coming right up. I've got a new and improved way to cut cans. So this is what we're starting with. We've made this tool out of 2 blocks of wood. I've got an indent here so that I can hold it. This part is sharp. I've taped a blade and then screwed down this top part to hold it really well. As you can see, it's sticking out. And then right here we have a template, a circle template. And this particular circle here is 2 1/4 inches, and that matches the diameter of the rim of the can. So what we're going to do first is we're going to score down the side. So we're just going to score a line right down the side. Now we can set that aside for the moment. We're going to turn this upside down into our circle here. And we're going to bring this up against the side of the can so that the sharp tip is leaning into it. Now we're going to hold it and we're just going to spin. And the great thing about this cutout is that it holds it so that you're going to be cutting at the exact same level. So you're just going to spin it around. And what we're going to do when we're back to the start again is we're going to go past where we started scoring, so you want to score it twice. Now we're going to take our blade again and we're just going to rock it to get it started, and you just want to be able to cut right through. There you go. Now that you've got the start, you're just going to take your thumb, and I'm wearing gloves here, and this is really important because this tin can be really sharp. You're just going to sort of run your thumb until it breaks. And you're just going to put pressure along the score and just run your thumb along. Now we're back to the beginning, and we're just going to remove that. We're going to recycle this piece. And we're going to bend the score along the side. We're going to crease it. And then run that score right along to the bottom and just pop it open, like so. Now you can take your scissors and get right in there at the bottom, and we're just going to cut right along the bottom here. Now again, that part is going to be waste. I'm going to recycle it, and now we're going to flatten our piece. So I'm going to take the piece to the edge of the table here, and I've got a rubberized glove, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press down, and I'm going to rub it along the edge of the table and then turn that around. You're just going to keep doing it until it's perfectly flat. And there you go. You've got a nice even edge, no catches on the top. The bottom's been cut. And you can use it in many, many projects. Now we're going to move on to painting the board, and we're going to punch the cans into discs. Once you've taped your paper template to the board, what we're going to do is create pilot holes, and I'm doing that here with a push pin. So I'm just positioning it over each nail hole, and I'm just tapping it a couple of times with my hammer. And that creates a starter hole that'll make the nail so much easier to go in once you come to hammer it. So you're just going to continue on in that fashion until you've punched through every single hole in your template. Now for a little ASMR, we're going to remove the template. Let's give a listen. So strangely satisfying. All that's left is to nail in the discs. We're going to make sure they're all level at the same height. Be sure to watch the video linked above if this is your first time doing a moving mosaic. It'll teach you the basics. When you're done, your aluminum can wall hanging will take on the colors of its surroundings. It's quite beautiful. And once you get a breeze on it, then that's just the ultimate. Although these particular materials aren't rated for outdoor use, I couldn't help but take it outside to see how it looks in the breeze. And it's just beautiful against the brick of our house. We're gonna have to figure out a way that we can make this work. Interested in more upcycle DIYs? Check out one of these unique projects.